Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the most effective ways to level up your audio in OBS Studio, using the 3-band equalizer filter. After following this tutorial, you'll have a firm grip on shaping your microphone's sound to be richer, clearer, and more professional. And trust me, a good vocal mix makes a world of difference whether you're streaming, podcasting, or recording YouTube videos. Let's jump right in. Our first step is accessing the filters for your microphone, the place where all your audio magic begins. Head over to the Sources panel in OBS Studio. Look for your microphone input. It might be called something like mic aux or USB microphone, depending on your setup. Give it a right click. You'll see a menu pop up and want to select Filters. This opens up the filter panel where OBS lets you add, modify, or remove audio effects. It's a good habit to get comfortable here, because this panel is where you'll fine-tune how your audience hears you. Next up, it's time to add the actual equalizer filter. At the bottom left of the Audio Filters window, you'll spot a little plus button. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a list of filter options. We want 3-band equalizer. That's the tool that lets you shape the lows, mids, and highs of your voice. It's useful whether you want to cut out muddiness, soften harsh edges, or just add a touch more sparkle. Name the filter. Maybe something simple like EQ or My Mic EQ, and hit OK. Naming filters is handy if you end up stacking different effects later. Keeps things organized. Now, we get to the fun part. Tweaking those frequencies. You'll see 3 sliders: low, mid, and high. The low controls your bass. If your voice sounds boomy or a little too roomy, try lowering this slider. It'll tame the rumble. On the flip side, raising it can give your sound more weight and presence, almost like adding a little cinematic depth. Mid, as the name suggests, tackles the middle of your voice, the body, and the clarity. Most voices sit right here, and a little reduction often smooths out that boxy or muffled character, which is especially common with budget microphones or untreated rooms. High handles the treble, the crispness, and detail. Sliding this up can make your voice sparkle, helping it cut through music or game audio, but be careful not to go too far. Too much boost might make S and esh sounds grating, which viewers will pick up on instantly. With your EQ in place, it's time to fine-tune. Here's where patience pays off. Start with a basic setup. Maybe bump up the highs and lows just a tad, and take the mids down a notch. This smiley face EQ curve is a classic starting point for vocal clarity. Hit record or start a short stream to get a test clip, then play it back and really listen with headphones. If something sticks out, maybe it's still a bit boomy, or perhaps it's too crispy, go back and make small tweaks. Remember, these sliders are sensitive, so adjust in tiny increments to find that sweet spot where your voice sounds balanced and professional. Keep an eye on the audio level indicators. If they're tipping into the red, that's a sign you're clipping. So dial things back to avoid distortion. Take your time with this process. Every voice is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. If it feels a little overwhelming at first, don't worry. With a few test runs, you'll quickly develop an ear for what sounds best. So, that's how you use the 3-band equalizer in OBS Studio to transform your microphone's quality. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more audio tips. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.